In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an audience in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account, then click Audience in the left panel. Next is scroll down until you see your audience list. Now from here, tick the box beside the audience you would like to delete, or if you want to delete it all, simply tick the box at the top. Then next is click on the three dot icon beside archive and click delete. And here you will be given two options depending on the reason why you would like to delete this audience. First is you can permanently delete them for compliance reasons. If they ask you and that you must comply with privacy laws like GDPR or CCPA, so you can choose these options. Then click on continue to delete and this will permanently remove all contacts in that audience. But if your reason is if you want to just clean up your audience or they are not responsive to marketing or other reasons other than this, archiving them is the generally recommended option. And if you choose any of these reasons, these contacts will be archived. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!